I hope you are doing well. So kids, today we are going to start Platinum Picture and Table, a book of picture and table. So let's begin. Healthy vegetables. So kids, as you can see in the picture, there is a vendor selling vegetables and a lady standing there buying some vegetables. So kids, in this concept, we will learn some name of vegetables. So let's begin. This one is spinach. This one is brinjal. This one is tomato. This one is onion. This one is capsicum. This one is potatoes. This one is green chilies. This one is bitter gourd. This one is peas. This one is garlic. This one is cauliflower. This one is cabbage. This one is radish. This one is turnip. This one is carrots. This one is pumpkin. This one is ginger. So kids, now look at some questions. Creative skill. First, name a leafy vegetable. So kids, यहाँ पर हमें बताना है किसी leafy vegetable का नाम. Leafy vegetable यानी कि spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Second, name a vegetable that used for making salad. So kids, ऐसी कौन सी सब्जियां हैं जिनको हम सैलेड बनाने में यूज करते हैं? हमें सिर्फ एक ही सब्जी का नाम लिखना है. तो किड्स, मैं यहाँ पर अनियन लिख रही हूँ. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट टोमेटोज, क्यूकम्बर. ओके किड्स. थर्ड, विच वेजिटेबल डू यू लाइक मोस्ट? सो किड्स, आप सभी को कौन सी वेजिटेबल पसंद है? मुझे क्यूकम्बर पसंद है, तो मैं क्यूकम्बर लिख रही हूँ. आप अपनी फेवरेट वेजिटेबल लिख सकते हैं. Fourth, name any 5 vegetables. So kids, यहाँ पर हमें 5 vegetables के name लिखने हैं. That you can write from here. Okay kids, you can copy the names from the above part. Fresh fruits. So kids, as you can see in the picture, there is a vendor selling fruits and a lady buying fruits. So kids, in this concept, we will learn about the name of different fruits. So let's begin. This one is mango. This one is apple. This one is a lychee. This one is a strawberry. This one is a cherries. This one is grapes. This one is pear. This one is papaya. This one is banana. This one is pineapple. This one is orange. This one is peach. This one is pomegranate. Creative skill. So kids, we need to answer some questions. So let's answer them. First, name a yellow fruit. So kids, हमें किसी yellow fruit का name लिखना है. तो yellow fruit कौन कौन से होते हैं? Banana and a mango. So you can write one. I'll write mango here. Okay? Second, name a red fruit. So kids, यहाँ पर हमें एक red fruit का नाम लिखना है. Red कौन कौन से fruit होते हैं? Pomegranate and apple. मैं यहाँ पर apple का name लिख रही हूँ. आप कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. Third, which fruit do you like most? So kids, आप सभी को कौन सा फ्रूट पसंद है? मुझे बनाना पसंद है, तो मैं बनाना लिख रही हूँ. आपको जो पसंद हो आप वो लिख देना. ओके? Fourth, name any 5 fruits. So kids, इस क्वेश्चन में आप सभी को 5 फ्रूट्स के नेम लिखने हैं, जो आप ऊपर दिए गए नामों में से कॉपी कर सकते हैं. ओके किड्स? Animals. So kids, in this concept, we are going to learn about the different names of animals. So let's begin. First one is lion. This one is elephant. This one is a cow. This one is a tiger. This one is a monkey. This one is a panda. This one is a horse. This one is a zebra. This one is a deer. Creative skill. So kids, answer some questions with me. First, name any 5 animals. हमें किन्हीं 5 जानवरों का नाम लिखना है. तो किड्स, आप ऊपर जितने भी मैंने एनिमल्स पढ़ाए उसमें से आप 5 नेम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर खुद. सेकेंड, विच इज आवर नेशनल एनिमल. तो बच्चों, यहाँ पर हमें क्या पूछा है कि हमारा नेशनल एनिमल कौन सा है. आंसर इज टाइगर. थर्ड, विच एनिमल गिव अस मिल्क. तो बच्चों, यहाँ पर क्या पूछ रहे हैं, कौन सा एनिमल हमें मिल्क देता है. तो काऊ, राइट. फोर्थ, विच एनिमल इज नोन एज द किंग ऑफ जंगल. तो बच्चों, हम कौन से एनिमल को किंग ऑफ जंगल कहते हैं. दैट इज लायन. Birds. So kids, in this we will learn about the different names of birds. So let's begin. This one is pigeon. This one is parrot. This one is owl. This one is duck. This one is kingfisher. This one is peacock. This one is crow. This one is a sparrow. This one is vulture. Creative skill. So kids, we need to answer some questions. So let's begin. First, which is our national bird? So kids, यहाँ पर हमें क्या पूछ रहे हैं कि हमारा national bird कौन सा है? So the answer is peacock. Second, name any 5 birds. So kids, यहाँ पर हमें बोल रहे हैं हमें 5 birds के नेम लिखने हैं. तो आप ऊपर से जो मैंने पढ़ाए हैं उनमें से कोई भी 5 birds के नेम लिख सकते हैं खुद. Third, which bird can see in the dark. So kids, यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन क्या है, कौन सा ऐसा बर्ड है जो डार्क यानी कि रात में देख सकता है. That is owl. Fourth, which bird is green in color and can imitate. So kids, यहाँ पर हमें क्या पूछ रहे हैं कि ऐसा कौन सा बर्ड है जो ग्रीन कलर का होता है and imitate. Imitate means कि वो नकल उतारता है. That is a parrot. Insects. So kids, in this we will learn about the different names of insects. This one is housefly. This one is a butterfly. This one is a honeybee. This one is a cockroach. This one is a mosquito. This one is a spider. This one is a grasshopper. This one is a ladybug. This one is a ant. Creative skill. So kids, let's quickly answer some questions. First, the insect that suck the human body is dash. तो बच्चों हमें यहाँ पर क्या पूछा है? हमें यहाँ पर पूछा है कि ऐसा कौन सा इंसेक्ट है जो ह्यूमन बॉडी को सक करता है? तो ऑप्शंस हैं फर्स्ट ant, second mosquito. Answer is mosquito. Second, name any two insects. So बच्चों यहाँ पर हमें किन्हीं दो इंसेक्ट्स का नेम लिखना है, तो चलिए लिखते हैं. First one is ladybug. Second one is grasshopper. Kids, you can write different name as well from the above. Okay, kids? Reptiles. So, kids, in this we will learn about the different names of reptiles here. Reptiles means the animals that slide in the land. First one is tortoise. This one is a snake. This one is a crocodile. This one is a snail. This one is a Komodo dragon. Creative skill. First, name any two reptiles. So kids, in this we need to answer the name of any two reptiles. First one is crocodile. Second one is snail. Second, name any one reptile that lives in water. So kids, यहाँ पर हमें क्या पूछा है? हमें ऐसे रेप्टाइल का नाम बताना है जो वाटर में रहता है. So the answer is crocodile. Body parts. So kids, in this we will learn about the name of different body parts in a human body. So kids, let's begin. First one is head. This one is a eye. This one is a ear. This one is a eyebrow. This one is a nose. This one is a lip. This one is a arm. This one is a hand. This one is a leg. This one is a mouth. This one is a tongue. This one is a foot. Creative skill. So kids, we need to answer some questions. So let's do it. First, what do you do with your nose? So kids, ये हमें क्या पूछ रहे हैं? हम अपनी nose के साथ क्या करते हैं? We smell or breathe with the help of nose. Yes, kids? So you can write it by yourself. Okay? Second, what do you do with your ears? So kids, हम अपनी ears के साथ क्या करते हैं? We hear with the help of our ears. So you can write it by yourself. Third, how many fingers do you have? So kids, हमारे पास कितनी fingers हैं? We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In a hand, in another hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 makes 10. So we have total 10 fingers. Yes? Fourth, what do you do with your eyes? So kids, हम अपनी eyes के साथ क्या करते हैं? We see different things, right? So you can write it by yourself. Toys. This one is a teddy bear. This one is a abacus. This one is a aeroplane. This one is a ball. This one is a cycle. This one is a boat. This one is a robot. This one is a doll. This one is a horse. And this one is a car. Creative skill. First, name 2 toys that you like to play with. So kids, यहाँ पर हमें बताना है कि कौन कौन से टॉयज आपको जिनके साथ खेलना पसंद है. 2 टॉयज के नेम लिखने हैं. So you can write it by yourself. Second, which toy would you like to have on your birthday? So kids, आपको अपने बर्थडे पर कौन सा टॉय चाहिए होगा? You can write it by yourself. Flowers. So kids, in this we will learn about the different name of flowers. So let's begin. This one is hibiscus. This one is a marigold. This one is a dahlia. This one is a lily. This one is a sunflower. This one is a lotus. This one is a rose. This one is a daisy. This one is a tulip. Creative skill. First, name any 2 flowers. So kids, we have to write here any name of 2 flowers. So first one, I'll write here rose. Next one I'll write here lily. You can write some other names also. Okay. Second, which flower do you like most? So kids, you need to answer which flower you like the most. That is your favorite flower. Okay kids, you can write it by yourself. Vehicles. So kids, in this we will learn about the different name of vehicles. This one is bicycle. This one is a bike. This one is a scooty. This one is a auto rickshaw. This one is a car. This one is a bus. This one is a airplane. This one is a ship. This one is a truck. Creative skill. First, name a vehicle which runs on the land. So kids, यहाँ पर क्या पूछ रहे हैं? ऐसा vehicle जो land पर चलता है. तो ऐसे तो बहुत सारे vehicles हैं. Car, auto rickshaw, cycle. So I'll write 1. That is bicycle. Okay. Second, name a vehicle which sails on water. So kids, यहाँ पर ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं कि ऐसा व्हीकल जो वाटर पर तैरता है. That is a ship. Third, name a vehicle which flies in the air. So kids, ऐसा कौन सा व्हीकल है जो एयर में फ्लाई करता है? That is a aeroplane. Fourth, name any 5 means of transport. So kids, you need to write here 5 means of transport that I taught you above. Games. This one is a hockey. This one is a cricket. This one is a ludo. This one is a football. This one is a table tennis. This one is a badminton. This one is a carom board. And the last one is chess. Creative skill. First, in the game of chess, there are dash, सो किड्स, ये हमसे पूछ रहे हैं कि चेस के गेम में कितने प्लेयर्स होते हैं। ऑप्शंस भी गिन दिए हैं, पढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट 2 players, second 4 players. So the correct answer is 2 players. Second, name 2 games that you like most. So kids, आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है ऐसे 2 गेम्स का नाम जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है। आप खुद लिख लीजिएगा, ओके? In the bathroom. So kids, in this we will learn about the different things that are found in bathroom, the name of those things, okay? This one is a mirror. This one is a toothpaste. This one is a wash basin. This one is a geyser. This one is a mug. This one is a soap case. This one is a bucket. This one is a soap. This one is a oil. Last one is the towel. Creative skill. First, you cut your nails with dash. So kids, यहाँ पर हमें क्या पूछ रहे हैं? हम अपने nails किससे कट करते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं। फर्स्ट, nail cutter. Second, toothbrush. So the answer is nail cutter. Second, we take bath with the help of dash. So kids, हम बाथ यानी कि कैसे नहाते हैं, किस चीज की हेल्प से नहाते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं। फर्स्ट बकेट, सेकंड बकेट एंड मग. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बकेट एंड मग. Clothes. So kids, as we all wear clothes every day, right? So there are so many different kinds of clothes. So in this concept, we will learn about the names of different clothes. This one is a pants. This one is a shirt. This one is a coat. This one is a jeans. This one is a t-shirt. This one is a jacket. This one is a skirt. This one is a frock. And the last one is sari. Creative skill. First, we use it in summer season dash. तो बच्चों यहाँ क्या पूछ रहे हैं कि हम समर सीजन में क्या यूज करते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं। फर्स्ट, शर्ट एंड ट्राउजर. सेकंड, स्वेटर. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज शर्ट एंड ट्राउजर. सेकंड, वी यूज इट इन विंटर सीजन. तो हम विंटर सीजन में क्या यूज करते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं। फर्स्ट, शर्ट. सेकंड, जैकेट. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज जैकेट. Domestic articles. So kids, in this we will learn about the things that we use in our homes. The name of those things. Okay, domestic means the things that are used in home. This one is a torch. This one is a key and lock. This one is a thermos flask. This one is a table fan. This one is a swing machine. This one is a LED TV. This one is a scissors. This one is a umbrella. And this one is a camera. Creative skill. First, we use it in rainy season dash. तो बच्चों यहाँ क्या पूछ रहे हैं? हम रेनी सीजन में क्या यूज करते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं। फर्स्ट, थर्मस फ्लास्क. सेकंड, अम्ब्रेला. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज अम्ब्रेला. सेकंड, वी कट क्लोथ्स एंड पेपर्स विद इट डैश. तो बच्चों यहाँ क्या पूछ रहे हैं कि हम पेपर और क्लोथ्स किसकी हेल्प से कट करते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं। फर्स्ट, हैंगर. सेकंड, सिजर्स. Correct answer is scissors. In the kitchen. So kids, we all have kitchen in our houses, right? So kitchen have so many things. So in this concept, we will learn about the name of those things that are found in kitchen. This one is a gas stove. This one is a gas cylinder. This one is a oven. This one is a pressure cooker. This one is a dinner set. This one is a knife. This one is vegetables. This one is mixer. This one is a refrigerator. Creative skill. First, we cook food with the help of dash. तो बच्चों यहाँ क्या पूछ रहे हैं, हम फूड किसकी हेल्प से कुक करते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. फर्स्ट गैस स्टोव, सेकंड डिनर सेट. सो द आंसर इज गैस स्टोव. सेकंड, वी गेट आइस फ्रॉम डैश. तो बच्चों यहाँ क्या पूछ रहे हैं कि आइस हमें कहाँ से मिलती है? फर्स्ट ओवन, सेकंड रेफ्रिजरेटर. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज refrigerator. Electrical appliances. So kids, in this we will learn about the appliances that are used in homes and offices that are electrical. So the first one is tube light. This one is ceiling fan. This one is a cooler. This one is a table lamp. This one is a LED TV. This one is a iron. This one is a air conditioner. This one is a inverter. This one is a washing machine. Creative skill. First, we wash our clothes in dash. तो kids यहाँ पर क्या पूछा है, हम अपने क्लोथ्स किस में वॉश करते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. फर्स्ट air conditioner, second washing machine. So the correct answer is washing machine. Second, when the electricity fails, we get electricity backup by dash. तो kids यहाँ पर पूछ रहे हैं कि अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कट ऑफ या फेल हो जाता है तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बैकअप कहाँ से मिलता है? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. सीलिंग फैन और इन्वर्टर. करेक्ट आंसर इज inverter. Computer. So kids, in this we will learn about the different name of the parts of computer. This one is a CPU. This one is a monitor. This one is a mouse. This one is a keyboard. This one is a printer. This one is a pen drive. This one is a scanner. This one is a speaker. Creative thinking. First, we can listen music with the help of dash. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर क्या पूछ रहे हैं, हम म्यूजिक किसकी हेल्प से सुनते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. फर्स्ट स्कैनर, सेकंड स्पीकर्स. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज स्पीकर्स. सो किड्स, यहाँ पर हमें कंप्यूटर के दो पार्ट्स का नाम लिखना है. तो लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट, आई विल राइट हियर CPU. सेकंड, माउस. Musical instrument. So kids, in this we will learn about the name of different kinds of musical instruments. So let's begin. This one is a dholak. This one is a harmonium. This one is a tabla. This one is a flute. This one is a violin. This one is a sitar. This one is a guitar. This one is a shehnai. And the last one is drum. Creative thinking. First, we play it with its string. Dash. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर ये पूछ रहे हैं कि हम किसके स्ट्रिंग को बजा सकते हैं? ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, फर्स्ट ड्रम, सेकंड सितार. So the correct answer is sitar because sitar has strings in it. Second, we play it with its sticks. Dash. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर ये पूछ रहे हैं किसको हम स्टिक से बजा सकते हैं. ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, फर्स्ट ड्रम, सेकंड ढोलक. So the answer is drum because we need sticks to play drums. Okay? Historical buildings. So kids, in this we will learn about the different names of historical buildings that are found in India. This one is a Red Fort. This one is a Victoria Memorial. This one is a Taj Mahal. This one is a Qutub Minar. This one is a India Gate. This one is a Char Minar. This one is a Gateway of India. Creative skill. So kids, let's look at some questions. First, Gateway of India is in dash. तो बच्चों ये पूछ रहा है कि गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया कहाँ पर है. ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, फर्स्ट दिल्ली, सेकंड मुंबई. So the correct answer is Mumbai. Second, name any two historical buildings. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर हमें किन्हीं दो historical building का नाम लिखना है. तो चलिए लिखते हैं. First, I'll write here Red Fort. Second, I'll write here Taj Mahal. Places of worship. So kids, in this we will learn about the different places where each person worship or pray. Okay? This one is a temple. That one is worshipped by Hindus. This one is a mosque where Muslim people worship. This one is a Gurudwara where Sikh people worship. This one is a church where Christian people worship. Creative skill. First, name any two places of worship. So kids, in this we have to write any two places where the people worship. So I'll write here temple and church. In the second one, church. Second, where do the Muslims go to pray? तो बच्चों, मुस्लिम पीपल कहाँ जाते हैं वर्शिप करने? The answer is mosque. Third, where do the Hindus go to pray? तो बच्चों, हिंदूज कहाँ जाते हैं प्रे करने? Answer is temple. Fourth, where do the Christians go to pray? तो बच्चों, क्रिश्चियन पीपल कहाँ जाते हैं प्रे करने? That is church. Fifth, where do the Sikhs go to the pray? तो बच्चों, सिख कहाँ जाते हैं प्रे करने? That is गुरुद्वारा. Festival of India. So kids, in this we will learn about the name of different festivals of India. This one is Diwali. This one is Dussehra. This one is Holi. This one is Baisakhi. This one is Eid. This one is Guru Parv. This one is Pongal. This one is Christmas Day. This one is Onam. Creative skill. First, name the festival of light. So kids, फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट किसको कहते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड दिवाली. सेकेंड, नेम द फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स. तो बच्चों, फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स किसको कहते हैं? द आंसर इज होली. थर्ड, name the harvest festival of Sikhs. That is called Baisakhi. Fourth, name the festival of Muslims. तो बच्चों, मुस्लिम का फेस्टिवल कौन सा होता है? That is called Eid. Number system. So kids, let's learn about numbers. So first one is numerals written here, then number names written here, then Roman written here. I'll read for you all. 1, O-N-E, 1, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9, 9. 10, T-E-N, 10, 10. 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11, 11. 1 to 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12, 12. 1, 3, 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13, 13. 1, 4, 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14, 14. 1, 5, 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15, 15. 1, 6, 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16, 16. 1, 7, 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17, 17. 1, 8, 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18, 18. 1, 9, 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19, 19. 2, 0, 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, 20. 2, 1, 21, 21, 21. 2, 2, 22, 22, 22. 2, 3, 23, 23, 23. 2, 4, 24, 24, 24. 2, 5, 25, 25, 25. 2, 6, 26, 26, 26. 2, 7, 27, 27, 27. 2, 8, 28, 28, 28. 2, 9, 29, 29, 29. 3, 0, 30, 30, 30. 3, 1, 31, 31, 31. 3, 2, 32, 32, 32. 3, 3, 33, 33, 33. 3, 4, 34, 34, 34. 3, 5, 35, 35, 35. 3, 6, 36, 36, 36. 3, 7, 37, 37, 37. 3, 8, 38, 38, 38. 3, 9, 39, 39, 39. 4, 0, 40, 40, 40, 4 1 41 41 41 4 2 42 42 42 4 3 43 43 43 4 4 44 44 44 4 5 45 45 45 4 6 46 46 46 4 7 47 47 47 4 8 48 48 48 4 9 49 49 49 5 0 50 50 50 5 1 51 51 51 5 2 52 52 52 5 3 53 53 53 5 4 54 54 54 5 5 55 55 55 5 6 56 56 56 5 7 57 57 57 5 8 58 58 58 5 9 59 59 59 6 0 60 60 60 6 1 61 61 61 6 2 62 62 62 6 3 63 63 63 6 4 64 64 64 6 5 65 65 65 6 6 66 66 66 6 7 67 67 67 6 8 68 68 68 6 9 69 69 69 7 0 70 70 70 7 1 71 71 71 7 2 72 72 72 7 3 73 73 73 7 4 74 74 74 7 5 75 75 75 7 6 76 76 76 7 7 77 77 77 7 8 78 78 78 7 9 79 79 79 8 0 80 80 80 8 1 81 81 81 8 2 82 82 82 8 3 83 83 83 8 4 84 84 84 8 5 85 85 85 8 6 86 86 86 8 7 87 87 87 8 8 88 88 88 8 9 89 89 89 9 0 90 90 90 9 1 91 91 91 9 2 92 92 92 9 3 93 93 93 9 4 94 94 94 9 5 95 95 95 9 6 96 96 96 9 7 97 97 97 9 8 98 98 98 9 9 99 99 99 100 100 100 100 Multiplication. So kids, now we will understand the meaning of multiplication. Multiplication is just like counting in number groups. So kids, multiplication का मतलब है कि हम count कर रहे हैं number groups को. You can write down multiplications using numbers and symbols. तो kids, हम multiplication को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Numbers और symbols की help से. As you can see in the example, there are two groups given of 6 rats each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rats are there. So, what it makes? It makes 12 together. It is written already here. Two groups of 6 rats make 12 rats all together. So, 2 multiply 6 equals to 12. Now what is written here? This symbol means groups of odd times or multiplied by. So kids, यहाँ पर इस सिंबल का क्या मतलब होता है कि जो भी ग्रुप है वो कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. इस सिंबल का क्या मतलब है किड्स? दिस साइन मीन्स मेक और इज इक्वल टू. इसका मतलब होता है कि हमें आंसर क्या मिल रहा है. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस मीन्स? दिस नंबर इज द आंसर और प्रोडक्ट. तो बच्चों, इस नंबर को हम या तो आंसर बोलेंगे या फिर प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Multiplication tables. So kids, in this we will learn some tables. Read and learn the multiplication tables of 2 to 20. So kids, in this we have to read the table from 2 to 20 and also learn them. So kids, let's begin with table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 18. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. So kids, now let's begin the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. So kids, now let's begin with table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. 5 times table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 6 times table. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 7 times table. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. Creative skills. So kids, we need to answer some questions. So let's begin. Fill the correct answer in the boxes. So kids, we need to fill the correct answer in the blank boxes. 5 multiply 3 equals to 15. 5 multiply 8 equals to 40. 4 multiply 5 equals to 20. 6 multiply 9 equals to 54. 6 multiply 2 equals to 12. 6 multiply 7 equals to 42. 7 multiply 4 equals to 28. 7 multiply 6 equals to 42. 7 multiply 9 equals to 63. 8 times table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 9 times table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Creative skill. Write the correct answers. So kids, we need to write the correct answer in the blank space. So let's begin. 9 eights are equal to 72. 8 sevens are equal to 56. 9 fives are equal to 45. 8 nines are equal to 72. 8 threes are equal to 24. 10 times table. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. 11 times table. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 sixes are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. Creative skill. Fill the correct answer in the boxes. So kids, we need to fill the right answer in the blank boxes. 10 multiplied 7 equals to 70. 11 multiplied 9 equals to 99. 10 multiplied 6 equals to 60. 11 multiplied 6 equals to 66. 10 multiplied 9 equals to 90. 11 multiplied 7 equals to 77. 12 times table. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. 13 times table. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Creative skill. Fill up the blanks. Dash fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. Dash 12 are 72. Dash 12 are 72. 6 12 are 72. Dash 8 are 104. 13 8 are 104. 12 fours are 48. Dash 13 are 52. Fours 13. 14 times table. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. 15 times table. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 sixes are 90. 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. Creative skill. Color the correct boxes. So kids, we need to color the correct boxes. 14 multiply 5 equals to 70. Is this the correct? Yes. So kids, you can color it with your pencil. I'll just shade here. Okay. 15 multiply 8 equals to 120. Yes, this is also correct. So I'll shade it for you. 14 multiply 7 equals to 30. No, this is incorrect. The correct is 84. So we will not color it. 15 multiply 6 equals to 90. Yes, this is correct. 14 multiply 3 equals to 42. Yes, this is also correct. 15 multiply 9 equals to 120. No, this is incorrect. The answer is 135. So, we will not color it. 16 times table. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. 17 times table. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170. Creative skill. Fill up the correct answer in the boxes. 16 multiply 6 equals to 96. So what we will write here? 6. 17 multiply dash equals to 85. So the correct answer is 5. 16 multiply dash equals to 64. So the correct answer is 4. 17 multiply dash equals to 34. So the correct answer is 2. 16 multiply dash equals to 128. So the correct answer is 8. 17 multiply dash equals to 190. So the correct answer is 7. 18 times table. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 sixes are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 sixes are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. 20 times table. 20 ones are 20. 20 twos are 40. 20 threes are 60. 20 fours are 80. 20 fives are 100. 20 sixes are 120. 27s are 140. 28s are 160. 29s are 180. 20 tens are 200. Creative skill. Fill up the correct answer in the boxes. 18 dash are 126. 18 sevens are. Dash fives are 95. 19 fives. 18 fours are 72. Dash dash are 57. 19 threes are 57. 18 dash are 90. So 18 fives are 90. I hope kids you understand all these things and enjoy the learning with me. Thank you all.